If you are one of those that you only have one income, this video is for you, because I always say one income is way too close to none, and you are doing your family an extreme disservice if you are only relying on one stream of income. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm gonna show you 4 side hustles that you can do, especially if you are an introvert, where you don't wanna talk to anyone, you don't wanna be on camera, you don't wanna do all this social media stuff. I got you, okay? Make sure you stick all the way to number 4, because that's my personal favorite, and that's what's changed my family's life. And guess what? Because I love you all so much, I'm gonna teach you how to do it for free, okay? So watch all the way to the end. All right, y'all, so the first side hustle we're gonna talk about for introverts is e-commerce, or having an e-commerce store, all right? What e-commerce is literally selling something online, right? Be it a digital product, be it a physical product, being a service, whatever the case is, you are selling something to individuals online, and you do not have to have a physical store, and you do not have to house, unless you want to, have physical products. So it's a lovely thing, especially if you have a skill, or you know how to make something, or you know how to create something. There's a plethora of platforms you can use, such as Etsy, Shopify. The list literally goes on. So if you have a skill or something that you can make or produce, you can do that without what? Talking to people, having to be on camera, or anything like that, and still make a stream of income. So my first one is e-commerce. Let's go on to number 2. The second side hustle for introverts would be affiliate marketing. And this has been a hot topic for a minute now, as a way of individuals to have another stream of income from the comfort of their home and literally dealing with no one. Like, you don't have to deal with anyone. All you have to do is find a product or a service that you believe in, that you're passionate about, that you think would be helpful for individuals, right? And that you can actually speak on, and then guess what? Create your affiliate link or join their affiliate program for that particular company or product, and then you promote it, right? There is a big thing now too about faceless pages, where you can go ahead and promote products and everything and services without ever being on camera. So that is why affiliate marketing is a great tool for introverts, because you do not have to be on camera. You don't have to interact with customers. All you have to do is literally find something that you like, get your affiliate code, and link it to your profile. And simple as that, okay? So let's go on to number 3. All right, so the third side hustle for introverts that I thought was super interesting is that you can be an audiobook narrator, right? I am a big advocate for audiobooks, because especially in my industry, or in my life, right, about self-help. Your girl is not a page turner, but I love to listen to a good book. Like, I'm down for that. I like to tell my mentees or the people I coach to say, hey guys, turn your car into a university. So you need to have these audiobooks, or these narrators speaking to you. So if you have a lovely voice, or you like to read, what about getting paid to do that? Being paid to read books that you already are reading. I think that is super cool. So you can be an audiobook narrator, and there you go. Did you have to deal with any clients? No. Did you have to be on camera? No. Literally, you just lend your voice to the narration of the book, and you get a paycheck. All right, super cool. Let's go on to number 4, my absolute favorite side hustle for introverts, okay? All right, y'all, so here's number 4. Thank you so much for sticking through the whole video. And my favorite side hustle for introverts, y'all, and the one that changed my entire life and my family's life, is trading options or trading stock, right? And I can't tell you enough how this particular side hustle that I do for minutes to the max hour, an hour or so a day, and I'm able to change my family's life. Like, the beauty of trading stock is that it's literally a side hustle. It is not my main source of income. I can go ahead and go about my day still. I can go ahead and deal with, hang out with my son and hang out with my husband, do all my other errands and things like that after having a day of trading, which is outstanding. I love it because of the fact that I don't have to deal with a boss. I don't have to go and clock in. I don't have to drive anywhere. All I need is my laptop and my phone. Sometimes I can just use my phone if I'm out of the country. I love it also because I can do it from anywhere. I was trading in the Cancun airport recently when the market opened. I was trading in my hotel room by the pool, and it's literally the key to my financial future, right? Along with, all the other businesses and things I'm doing, but this is the literal best side hustle that you could ever do if you're an introvert. And I am, like I said, no cap, I'm going to teach you how to do this for free. All you need to do is check out the description box below and click on joining the free Discord, where you're going to able to get resources, tap into the group, see what we're doing as a family in the Boss Up Academy, and you get to be a part of this Boston Up situation. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are an introvert, hey, I call myself an introvert too. Mike laughs at me and says,
no, you would not.
But if you are an introvert, that does not mean you are a recluse, right? That doesn't mean you need to be a hermit, right? That just means you need to find what works for you. And I hope this video helped you see that there are ways that you can still be yourself and make money in the world, right? And make a difference in your life and get to the life of abundance you deserve. All right, y'all? So to my future millionaires, thank you so much for watching this entire video. I hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you have not subscribed. You know you're gonna like it here because we're gonna get more videos about this type of content. So looking forward to chatting with y'all. I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year. Bye, guys.